morning. Welcome to Auntie Mahalia's kitchen. Today we're going to make Aaron's rod out of bread. You might need your mom or an adult for this. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Today you're going to need 4.5 cups of flour. You're going to need 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, you're going to need 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar or 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to do our wet ingredients. So we're going to have melted butter, which is 1/4 of a cup, and pour it in the middle. And now we're going to pour 1 3/4 cup of milk, and then we're gonna mix all the ingredients until we get a dough. You can even use your hands for this. Make sure to clean it first. So you can spray your pan. So now you can shape the dough into a rod. So now we're gonna shape the bread into a rod. So I'm gonna take little balls from my other dough and make them into flower petals or leaves. So now I'm going to make little cuts in the middle so that the bread can breathe while it's baking. And also looks nice. Now I'm going to put a little sun-dried tomato on the bread to make it look like there's flowers growing. So, as we know, Aaron's rod budded with flowers. And what else? Almonds. So we're gonna put some almonds on the rod. And then we're gonna add some garlic on top of it to make it taste good before we bake it. So I'm gonna put tin foil over it so it won't burn. We're gonna cook it in the oven for about 45 minutes or until it is golden brown. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. And voila! Here it is. This is Aaron's rod budding in bread form. Thank you for joining us at Auntie Mahalia's kitchen. Happy Sabbath!